Law of gender. There's lots of laws. I'm not covering all of them, just so you know. There's thousands. Law of gender. We went through this last week. There must be a male and female in everything, or you wouldn't have anything. Conscious mind is the male factor. Subconscious mind is the female. Male impregnates the female, a spiritual seed. It's happening all the time, every single day. You don't have to actually plan it physically. Okay. And there is a period of time governed by the law of gender, which is called the law of gestation, that you will give birth to that idea. It takes time, though. Here's how you live in harmony with this law. Stop trying to force the universe to do it now and be patient. People don't live in the harmony with the law of gender when they're trying to force it. I need it now. I need it now. It's almost like whining to the universe. I need it now. I need it now. I need it now. What's it sending? It's not sending the words I'm saying, I need it now. Oh, the universe says, oh, he needs it now. Let's give it to him. Hurry up. It's not responding to your words and the meaning of your words. It's responding to the feeling. The feeling associated with I need it now is it's not here. It's not here. It's not here. I hope you got that. I need it now. It's crying out to the universe saying, it's not here. It's not here. The universe doesn't understand words. It understands the feeling. Language of the universe is vibration. It's feeling. Okay? So that's why the universe doesn't, when you pray saying, I need it now. I need it now. I need it now. It's not saying, let's get it. Amazon, one-day shipping. Let's get him his goal today. Make sure it's one-day shipping. Okay. It doesn't happen like that. Very good to understand. Then you say, oh, okay. Yeah. Let's be a little more patient with this. Let's be a little more well-being. And law of compensation, we went through 2 weeks ago in great detail. So watch that replay if you need to. I'll give some more details on this. Just, that's all I put this here for, because we already covered this 2 weeks ago, is no, if you want to increase your income, there's a law. It's just the best thing in the world. If you want to increase the amount of money coming into your bank account, there is a law that you can live in harmony with to guarantee you will have more money come in. That's like the best thing in the world. If you know how to be in harmony with it, though. Remember, we focus on number 2, and this is the last thing we'll conclude the call with today. Okay? Your ability to do it falls into 2 sections, very important. Service. Service. Your quality of service. Your quantity. Service. If you don't have a lot of money coming in, it's because you're not serving. I know it's a brutal awakening. I know some people say, like, Scott, I'm trying, I'm serving, I'm helping people. Are you bringing your product or service to enough people? Are you talking to enough people to get into your seminar room, into your coaching, into your program, into your real estate deal, into whatever you want out of life? Are you going out there and doing and providing your product or service? And multiply it by 10. Don't just send, if you're doing online, don't just send 25 messages and say, oh, it doesn't work. Send 5,000 until it works, because you will start to generate the energy. You're coming from a place of genuine authenticity that says, I am going to help you. If you want some help, I am here, and I'm going to help you with certainty. If you don't want help, that's okay. If you're already doing this, that, the other thing, right? But do it until things start to work, until you start to iterate and change what you're doing to increase the amount. The quality, the actual work that you do, and the quantity. Keep reading books on your subject. Keep getting better at what you do by doing it every single day and letting it consume you and being obsessed by becoming better at what you do. And then the quantity, the actual amount of people that you can serve. Find systems and ways. Tell an idea out into your physical world so you can subconsciously program yourself saying, I do have a system to generate the exact amount that I want every single month, month in, month out. Okay? And focus all day on there. All of you have such a brilliant gift inside of you. Bring it to the world. Bring it to the world. And if you're selling and you're prospecting and somebody doesn't behave the way you want it to behave and they lash out and they say, get away from me, I don't want your opportunity in this thing. It's just a reflection of what's going on inside of them. It's not you. That's why selling is the best thing in the world. Because anything that goes on, you're trying to help that person long term. Selling is for somebody. Okay, so most people don't like the word selling. It's just they don't understand what selling is. So if you want to use the word selling, you're helping that person into your opportunity if they're a good fit. And when you do that, things just, boom, they start to go. It's going to be uncomfortable. Remember what we talked about first tonight, though. Got to be willing to do as many uncomfortable things as possible in the next 30, 60, 90 days. And forever, for that matter. Whoa. We just packed in a ton of stuff here.